Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Tuesday, March 5th of 2019. There's a couple announcements for today for our March birthdays. We have Jaden Goins and Chance Wright. Happy birthday to you. Hope you have a wonderful day today. And then also there's choir practice today after school. So just as a reminder, if you're part of choir, you have practice today. And then lunch choices. We have Twisted Dog, beef and cheese nachos, or turkey and cheese sandwich. And today's paws are going to be brought to you by our kindergarten students, who are going to be talking about things of how you should not be treating other people.
All right, boys and girls, today for our pause, we have some kindergarten students here to talk about the things that they would do to keep a positive attitude and things that they would do for their pause. Don't push anybody on the steps. Yeah, definitely don't kick anyone. Don't fight anybody?
No, I didn't.
Oh, don't bite them. Yeah, don't do the biting. That's not good. Yeah, no pushing. We don't want to do that. So, boys and girls, we always want to keep our hands at our sides, don't we? That would be the best thing. All right, thank you for your help for today.
Thank you, guys. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance. So we have kindergarten here to help out with it for today. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you, guys. I appreciate that. So let's everyone have a great Tuesday today. Let's hopefully the weather will warm up by the end of the week and we'll be able to get outside for recess. But let's make it a great day. It's up to you. Choices are yours. So let's go ahead and go make some great ones today.